Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to find the exact trigonometric ratios for a 45-degree angle. We will cover sine, cosine, and tangent. By the end of this lesson, you will understand exactly where these values come from, so you don't have to just memorize them. To begin, we need the right shape. We use an isosceles right triangle. This is a special triangle with one 90-degree right angle and two 45-degree angles. Because the two base angles are equal, the two legs opposite them must also be equal in length. Since the specific size of the triangle does not change the ratios, we can choose the simplest numbers possible. Let's assign a length of 1 unit to both legs. This makes our calculations very easy. Now we need to find the length of the long side, the hypotenuse. We use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Substituting our side lengths of 1, we get 1 squared plus 1 squared. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, c squared is 2, and the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. Now we can calculate sine. Remember CAHTOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. For our 45-degree angle, the opposite side is 1, and the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. So, sine of 45 degrees is 1 over the square root of 2. In mathematics, we usually do not leave a square root in the bottom of a fraction. To fix this, we rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the top and bottom by the square root of 2. 1 times root 2 is root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is just 2. So, the standard exact value for sine of 45 degrees is the square root of 2 over 2. Next is cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Looking at our triangle, the adjacent side is 1, and the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. Notice this is the same as the sine value. After rationalizing the denominator again, we get the square root of 2 over 2. Finally, let's find the tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. The opposite side is 1, and the adjacent side is also 1. 1 divided by 1 is simply 1. So, the tangent of 45 degrees is exactly 1. Here is a summary of what we have found. Sine of 45 is root 2 over 2. Cosine of 45 is also root 2 over 2. And tangent of 45 is 1. These are the exact values you will see in trigonometry problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.